Good morning from Marseille, France. So, nandito ako sa labas ngayon ng aming hotel. Inaantay ko si Michael kasi may kinuha siya doon sa sasakyan. At nandito kami ngayon sa France, sa Marseille kasi tomorrow evening manunood kami ng football Olympic game. Germany versus United States. So, yung hotel namin, ito, ayan. Ayan, pakita ko lang. Sobrang lapit niya lang talaga sa stadium na pupuntahan namin bukas. Sobrang lapit lang, as in, ayan lang yung stadium. Ayan, ilang steps away lang. So, ayan yung stadium. So, 'di ba, sobrang lapit lang. Pero ngayon, dumating kami dito kagabi, midnight, siguro mga 12:06. Ganong oras kami dumating dito from Klagenfurt. So it's like 12 hours drive. Umalis kami doon ng 12 noon. Tapos break in between. And yeah, now pupunta kami ng city center. Wala lang, ikot-ikot, tingin-tingin, stroll around. Yun, so see you guys again later.
Come to my vlog from the
Okay.
Himalaya to Marseille.
We are walking now to the metro station, going to the city, and we just passed the stadium.
That is easy because we live at the stadium.
Guys, kalalabas lang namin ng metro. Wala akong video sa loob ng metro kasi nahilo-hilo ako kasi damong bahog ilok. And now, outside the metro station, wanna just show you. Ito na ulit kami sa port side. Ang daming tao kasi holiday ngayon dito sa Europe. School holiday. Let's say I want to have a picture here. So Shatsi, where are you? Explain.
Bienvenue. We are in Marseille having a refreshment drink and waiting for our seafood.
For lunch.
For lunch. Yeah, it's lunch, right? Dinner is in the evening.
For food. Shatsi, can you please open your food? Duran. Dito na si Tiff. On the way home na kami. At nandito kami ngayon sa metro station. Hello. Second day here in Masay. So supposedly our plan is going to the beach, and punuan. Kaya dito kami ngayon napadpad sa Notre Dame. Sa Notre Dame. Yun.
في محل محزن انفاس
Look down and they're playing football. Oh, they're playing football. Look. Okay, now look at the voice thing. Okay. I love
Nandito na kami sa baba sa city center buying for a souvenir. Ayo.
Strawberry on my lips,